Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to fix your Telegram connecting problem in 2021. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification turned on to our channel because we post content like this. So to get notified for our future video, be sure to subscribe with notification on, and let's start today's video without any further ado. So if you're having connection problem in Telegram, first thing you need to check is your Wi-Fi connection or your network connection, because this problem arises if you have a slow Wi-Fi connection or an unstable Wi-Fi connection. So check that. But if you have a stable Wi-Fi connection and you still have this problem, then the second thing you can do is clear cache of Telegram. So to do this, you basically are gonna go to your setting. Now remember, the setting for different Android is different, and I'm using Oppo, so your setting interface might be different. So you can just go to YouTube and search for how to offload app on your company's phone name. So I can go on app management. We're basically offloading Telegram, or we can say that we are clearing the cache of Telegram. So for me, I'm gonna go on Telegram, on my app management over here, and on Telegram click on storage usage and click on clear cache, and boom, all the cache of my Telegram is cleared. Now my Telegram should be running. But if you are still having problem, then the second thing you can do is check your permissions of Telegram. So I'm going to click on permissions over here, and if some of the permissions are not allowed, then Telegram won't run smoothly. So make sure that all the permissions required for Telegram to run smoothly should be on. All these things should be on over here. Microphone should be on, contact should be on, all these things should be on. Your location depends, if you want to turn it on or turn it off, it won't affect, but all the other settings should be turned on. But if it's still not fixing it, then the last option is to uninstall and reinstall Telegram. By uninstalling and reinstalling Telegram, it should fix the problem. So yeah, if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.